What are 5 of the most frightening science experiments in recent history? Number 1. Imagine a particle machine so powerful, people truly feared it might swallow the Earth whole. Welcome to the Large Hadron Collider, aka the planet's biggest science experiment. Rumors swirled about mini black holes destroying our planet. But guess what? Earth faces cosmic ray collisions far more intense every day and still survives. Talk about nature flexing. The LHC smashes particles at nearly the speed of light, recreating conditions just moments after the Big Bang, helping us unlock the secrets of the universe. It's like peeking behind the cosmic curtain to understand why anything exists at all. Yet, for all its wonder, the fear of catastrophic outcomes gripped many, showing how curiosity and caution often wrestle in the realm of science. Number 2. Now, picture zombie dogs. Not from horror movies, but real experiments where scientists kept severed dog heads alive, reacting to sounds hours after death. This wasn't some twisted fantasy. It was a venture into understanding life's boundaries. Decades ago, researchers managed to maintain brain activity by pumping oxygenated blood into these detached heads, a glimpse into the fragile line between life and death. Fast forward to modern times, scientists managed to bring dogs back to life after flushing their blood out and pumping in an oxygen-rich saline solution that circulates through the brain and body, effectively restarting cellular function even after clinical death. These resurrections aren't just science fiction. They hint at future possibilities in organ preservation and maybe even human revival someday. But they also raise profound ethical questions. Just because we can, should we? What does it mean to be alive when life can be artificially extended or restored? Number 3. But what about controlling minds? In the 1950s, the CIA's MKULTRA program secretly dosed unsuspecting people with LSD in bars, dreaming of mastering brain control. The idea was to develop a truth serum or a way to manipulate enemies during the Cold War, but instead, it unleashed hallucinatory horror for many who had no clue what was happening to them. The program's dark legacy exposes how far intelligence agencies were willing to push boundaries under the guise of national security, often trampling on human rights and ethics. Hallucinations on demand? More like hallucinatory horror that left deep psychological scars. These experiments remind us how the pursuit of power can twist scientific discovery into dangerous territory. Number 4. Meanwhile, nurses once shocked the world by obeying orders to administer lethal drug doses just because a voice on the phone said so, highlighting how dangerous obedience without question can be. This chilling demonstration of authority's power over morality surfaced during the infamous nurses' trial post-World War II, where medical professionals were put on trial for their roles in euthanasia programs. It forces us to question how individuals reconcile personal ethics with orders, and what safeguards are necessary to prevent blind obedience from causing harm. Number 5. And during World War II, humanity took a bizarre turn. Bats trained as tiny living bombs, set to ignite Japanese cities by sneaking into attics and barns. The plan was to attach incendiary devices to bats, release them over enemy territory at dawn, and let them roost in wooden buildings before the bombs ignited, causing widespread fires. Thankfully, this creepy idea was scrapped before it could unleash chaos, partly due to the unpredictable nature of using animals as weapons and the risks to civilians. This episode reveals the lengths to which wartime desperation can push innovation, blurring lines between creativity and cruelty. From universe-ending fears to dissected heads twitching with life, these are not stories from fiction. They're bone-chilling chapters of real science history. They reveal humanity's relentless quest to understand and control nature, sometimes stepping into morally gray or outright dark areas. Science pushes boundaries, challenging our understanding of life, death, and the universe. But it also tests our ethical compass. So here's the question. If science can push boundaries this far, where should we draw the line? Would you risk terrifying experiments if they promised a breakthrough? How do we balance the thirst for knowledge with respect for life and morality? Tell me what you think in the comments below.